Are your admin staff still manually typing information into your business system from paper documents like invoices or remittances? Boring, repetitive tasks performed by your staff waste time, saps their enthusiasm, and makes them much less productive. Did you know there was a much easier way? Our Accounts Genie can automate the whole process. We can either scan paper invoices like this, or if they're emails, our Accounts Genie can collect the data and process it automatically. Once scanned, they are presented in our Accounts Genie system for verification. This is an important step as we need to make sure the extracted information is correct. Once confirmed, the GL code is added either manually or by our Accounts Genie. The next step is for a staff member to check and authorize the information, as this ensures all entries in the system are correct. Once the data is collected and authorized, the information is imported to the account system of your choice. Plus, all documents are saved as a searchable PDF, meaning no lost documents ever again. We can even embed a link in the data so if queried, your software can pull up the information at a moment's notice. This simple system will not only increase productivity, but also staff satisfaction while reducing errors and increasing your security. If you would like more productive staff and a happier place to work, call us now on 9472 3722 for an obligation-free chat.